Alright, I've got a nice 50-inch Toro TimeCutter SS5000. It's got the speed smart control, so you can turn it on low speed or high speed depending on if you're in kind of tight quarters or got kids around and things like that and you want to be more safe. It's got a 50-inch deck. Good seat that's not all cracked up and everything, but it is coming loose a little bit from the glue here, so it's got a piece of tape on there that could probably be glued back on. Blades engage fine and everything works on here. It's got a Kawasaki motor. Actually not sure on the horsepower on this one, I'll have to look it up. Start it up and show you what she's all about. Motor runs nice and smooth. No bad vibrations or noises that should be there. No smoke. Dead height adjustments right here on this mower. Blade engage. Got a nice high blade tip speed on here. Got some taller grass right here. Nice clean cut, everything operates like it should.